Good morning, everyone. Ali's here from Vancouver Financial Network. Today is December 21st, 2020. We are back after 3 weeks absence. Sorry about that. It's been a long absence. But during just personal issue and family issues I have to deal with, and it was not a good time for me to fill out the video analysis, but we are back. Probably this is going to be a last video for 2020, which was very volatile year. We started very bullish and then turned out very bearish in February and March. Now after March and April, we are getting back to a bull run, and we are getting all the way up till now. And everyone is looking at like that question. So what is next? What we should look at it, and if you are interested, if you want to see what we should look at it for this year or 2021 and end up the 2020, make sure that watch this video, like this video, and recommend to your friends. There are lots of educational matters in this video, and there are lots of good analysis I'm gonna provide it for you. It's gonna be longer than usual, but it is very comprehensive video. We just wrap it up for 2020, and we are going to talk about it later in 2021, especially months of January, which is coming just on the corner. And we have like tons of news. We had like election, we have like a contested election. Still, we don't have official president in the United States. I know that everyone is saying Joe Biden is president, but even Joe Biden, I think he doesn't believe that he's president yet. After January 6th, we will see who is going to be a president. And there are lots of issues, actually geopolitical issues down the road, like coronavirus is very getting tough time. I know that the vaccine just came like 2 weeks ago, and everyone is getting like a vaccine on the front line, but there is like a coronavirus mutation, which is spiked in England, Belgium, and Denmark, and some cases in Italy recently. And I've seen like a news today just the news bombard, like all the European countries, they're gonna close their boundaries, like air boundaries from Belgium, England especially, and during Christmas time, it means that it's gonna be a hard time for all the businesses. London during Christmas, just imagine during Christmas they want to shut down again, and they can't have like a Christmas this year. And in some European countries like Netherlands, Denmark, Belgium, they were shut down as well. Saudi Arabia just recently closed everything, like even all the transportation from sea, from land, everything, just for a week to see that how this coronavirus mutation works as well. And also on the other line, we have like a good news that everyone in Congress in US is working on a stimulus package. And Senator Mitch McConnell said that we are gonna have a stimulus package by end of this year, and Senate and Congress don't go anywhere till stimulus package approved. And it is gonna be a good signal for market, but as I said, if you want to trade based on news, good luck with that. I'm not gonna do that, but I'm following the news, but I'm not gonna trade based on news. I just see what is going on the chart, and then I will make a decision on the chart as per technical analyst person. All right, so for let's start with S&P 500. S&P, we had like an option expiration for the month of December, and that was the last option expiry day for a year of 2020 on the last Friday. It was very volatile. If you have seen like such this volatility, even you can see in option expiration, which was like a quadruple witching, which was 4 different assets expired last Friday. So that's why there were lots of volatility. Just imagine like, for example, for Tesla was like a 3% green in the morning, and then last hour it went down crazy, like a huge volume goes down to -2, -3%, and then it went back up again to 2% positive and finished the day positive 2%, which is very, very rare, but it happened in option expiry day. So if for those people who are trading option, that could be a miracle day, and that could be like a very, very drastic day, because those institutions, don't get me wrong, those institutions, they won't allow you to get money out of their pockets. So be careful on those dates. Today we have like a winter solstice, which is gonna be a very, 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 I'm gonna just emphasize that, very major astro event, which is gonna be a Saturn and Jupiter conjunction on 21st on the zero degree of the North Node, which is gonna be a very, very important star. And this is the end, means that for astro this is gonna be the end, and that could be the start of the new era of the astrology. And for the transformation of the energy, it is very, very important day. Basically, we are kind of like a brace ourselves, because we don't know exactly what is going on. Usually it is very, very volatile. It doesn't mean that it goes very, very down, but it doesn't mean that it goes very, very up. It means that it's going to be a very, very volatile. So be careful with that. And as you see, like lots of news, negative, positive, is coming just today. And okay, so let's finish up the talking. That was a very, very long introduction, but for this video, if you like this channel, please help us subscribe this channel. Go to my Telegram channel, which is Vancouver Financial Network. There are tons of stuff there. And if you like this video, please like it. We will have like lots of technical analysis covered for this video. Okay, stay tuned, stay with us. Let's go to the chart, see what chart tells us. Okay, so this is S&P 500 monthly chart. If you see here, I'm gonna just review what happened in a very, very long time ago. This is 1995. We have like a very, very nice up run all the way to 2000, like a February 2000, and look at the dates, February to March 2000. Market reversed back. We just broke down this trend, and then all the way down to January 2003. That was 3 years bear market. 3 years bear market. January 2003, October, like it was like a May. Look at that, March, again, March came up. March 2003, market goes all the way up. New bull market, double top. This is classic double top here, 2007. And then 2007, this is May 2008. And here is like September 2008. Everyone is saying the market started its bear market from 2008, September. But look at that, based on the technical purpose, we have like a higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then lower low, all the way down to February again 2019 and March 2009, and we started all the way up. Like this is a classic bull run, secular bull market, all the way up till now. And where are we going next? The next is going to be like the March again, February and March low here. This year we are just breaking up. Look at this trend line. This is a very, very nice trend line going up, and we are above this. This is November surprise that we got it from the bottom. Fantastic, we got it from the bottom. If you like, you can see my video like a surprise, November surprise before election. I told you guys we will have like a very, very nice run all the way, and what happened in months of November. And here is the month of December. And this is my prediction for March, April. We are gonna hit this level. I don't know down the road if we are going down, probably we will go down like a correction and we are gonna test this level again, or we're going like melt up all the way up to here. But March, April, I'm expecting market reach out to 4,000 to 4,100, which is a massive resistance here in this area. And if we go there, I'm looking for, to be honest, if you guys follow me in my channel, like I'm just long from here, every dip I'm getting to the long position rather than short. But here I'm looking for shorting opportunity, to be honest, and we will get lots of shorting opportunity here. Lots of stocks, lots of indices, indexes are getting to this level. It's going to be a good opportunity for short. But look at the date, March, April is going to be like the area that we are looking for. Probably we will get sooner, probably we will get later, but this is the level that I'm working out based on the monthly chart on the S&P 500. So this is going to be a last drips of our lemon juice that we are going to take from our lemon. And this is going to be a sweet. But at the end, you know that lemon is going to be bitter and bitter and bitter. So be careful on that. When you're here, don't get tempted for long position. I know that everyone is talking, this market is going to go higher, this market is going to go higher, but be careful on this level. So 4,000 to 4,100 is going to be a massive resistance. I'm not sure. Some people are saying 4,200, 4,300. I'm going to work on that level as well. But so far, based on my calculation, this is the level that I'm looking for. If I was wrong, if I have any update, I'm gonna the first one who is going to the roof and scream, hey guys, this is not the level, probably level is adjusted. All right. So far, this is the level based on the monthly chart. And for the correction side, I'm looking for coming back down to 3,200, like 32 to 3,300 is going to be very, very important. Look at the moving averages. Look at the moving averages. It is bullish, guys. It is not bearish, it is bullish. And I'm gonna see the first minor support is going to be 3,300 to 3,250, which is going to be this blue line and this orange line that I show here. All right. So if we break down, you're going to see very, very ugly, but this is very, very early. I'm not going to talk about this. This is the resistance. I'm going to see what is market reaction to this level. Okay. So let's go to weekly chart, see what weekly chart tells us. Here is the weekly chart. Sorry, it is very, very messy, but this is the level again based on my weekly chart. We are just playing around with this resistance line here, and if we break above this, we are going to see market is going back up here. So here is the weekly chart. Look at this. This is top here, and we're gonna just go there, right there. So it's going to be like, as my cursor shows, it's going to be March here, probably March to April is going to be here. Market is going to be here, very, very choppy and volatile, and we're going to see like a rollover very, very fast. Okay, so it's gonna, I'm expecting the same price action like here, or maybe like here, I don't know, something here in this area. So be careful with that. Look at this. Whenever we hit this trend line, actually this is another one, this is higher one, but this is major resistance here, like as I said, 1,400, 4,000, sorry, 4,000, 4,000 is going to be like a huge level for the market. This is like a 4,400. I'm not sure if we get to that one, but if we get to that one, again, that's going to be another one. So it is very early, but I'm expecting market a little bit going higher. That's going to be last juice of our lemon. Let's go to daily. Daily gives us the better picture of what is going on for the future. So I'm going to talk about the RSI as well in daily, but before that, this is the level that I'm looking for. So we are close above this dotted line here, like pivot high, pivot high, pivot high, and we are getting close above this. We are just doing like back and forth. This is very, very choppy just because we break this resistance line. And if we break this resistance line, we are going to this level. Like it's going to be like a 37.77. That is your first resistance. And we are going up to 4,000 to 4,100. This is like line that I'm looking for, 41.03, which is very, very important level for me. If we are getting any correction, so where are we next? For the correction, I'm expecting market goes down. Even if it doesn't hit this, if it doesn't this one down the road, goes down here. So I'm expecting buyer comes back here. And if that correction happens, to be honest, I'm gonna buy here. I'm not gonna sell. Till we are getting to this level, I'm not gonna sell anything. any correction, I really welcome that one. And I'm looking for like some kind of price action like this. If we have like a one doji, one follow through, one doji, one follow through here in this trend line here in this area, which I mark it up, like this is gonna be around 32. Let me just see where are we at here. Yeah, 33. Let's say 33, 4 threes to 3400. That's gonna be a level that I'm looking for. But basically I'm looking for this trend line, okay? For this trend line. And look at the RSI. Let's go to RSI. This is very, very interesting for me. Whenever we hit this level, market just play around with RSI. And we are here. The next level is gonna be here, which is gonna be an overbought, and it is gonna be a melt up topping formation. That's gonna be a blow off top, and I believe that we are going something like this. This is the price action, to be honest, and or this. This is gonna be a parabolic off the chart, and I really want to see something like that going up here and then roll over back down. If it goes like this, I'm not sure if we get to the correction, but if we go something like this, parabolic, whenever market goes off, parabolic goes back down dramatically. So I'm looking for something like that. You see this parabolic consolidation, parabolic move, consolidation. This is a bearish wedge consolidation, by the way, means that we can just break down even today based on the news that coming to the market. If we break down this orange and this blue line, we are going down to 35. And if we break through this 50 SMA 50, then we are going down all the way down to here. We have lots of supports here, so I'm not worried about the support level. I'm just looking for a melt up or blow off top here. Okay, so it's enough for S&P 500. Let's go to Nasdaq. Nasdaq is very tough for me. Let's go to monthly chart. Monthly chart, it is very interesting. This is the level for Nasdaq that I'm looking for. Look at this beautiful consolidation on the top, and we are getting above this. When we get above this, this is months of December, and we have like a 10 days until end of the month. It's going to be very, very light volume during Christmas time. However, we don't have like we had vacation, but who's gonna travel with lockdown everywhere? So probably we will have like a busier time rather or compared to the other years, but we will see market is going up by probably May, April. We're gonna just see this level, and when we go to 14,000, probably sooner, I'm not sure, probably sooner, if we get like to this one to the March, then I'm gonna short market here like a 14,000 to 1470, 14,700. That's gonna be a shorting opportunity for me as well to get down to here. And if you get down to here, just imagine, guys, from 14,000 to 10,000, that's gonna be like a 40% drop in the market. And this is like a March crash. Everyone is calling this as a crash, and for Nasdaq it was like less than 40%. Just 2 months candle. Look at this candle from this pivot high to this pivot low. That's going to be less than 40%. But here from 14,700 all the way down to 1100, that's going to be more than 30%. I'm not sure about the 40%, but it's going to be more than 30%, which is going to be a huge turbulence for the market. And if we break down this one, then we're going to see market to 9,000 even, and that's going to be uglier and uglier. But look at the moving average. Moving average, the first moving average, which is 20 moving average, is here. So it's not surprise if you see something like this. This is very, very parabolic move. Consolidation, another parabolic move, gives us nice shorting opportunity. But are we gonna short now? No, we are not gonna short the market now. We're gonna just stay with the trend until the end. All right, so let's go to Russell 2000. I want to show you something interesting in Russell 2000. Here is the weekly chart for the Russell 2000. I'm just scrolling back. I show you in the channel, in Telegram channel, this is very, very nice. Pivot high, pivot high, pivot high, pivot high. And this is for 5th time with a very, very parabolic move. We are getting close to this pivot high here. I'm not sure if we're gonna break through all the way up to 2200 or we are gonna reverse back. I believe we are gonna just touch this trend line and reverse back to 1678, which is gonna be a first moving average, and which is gonna be at this line. Look at this line, and this line. This is very, very nice opportunity for getting to the long position. But right now, to be honest, I'm looking for shorting opportunity for Russell 2000. So believe me or not, if you are getting any reversal pattern here in daily or weekly, in daily, I'm gonna just put a short position here. It's worth it. Gives us very, very nice shorting opportunity. So far trend is up. It is very, very risky to short against the trend, but this is very parabolic and it's gonna go down. I'm not sure if I've seen anything like this in Russell 2000. When we have this type of price action, it was from here to here, and you see for how long, like almost for 2019, like for 7 months, we're getting like a choppy consolidation here in Russell 2000. So anytime that we see like this, look at this parabolic move, choppy consolidation. But probably the correction is not gonna be like a drop. It's gonna be like a consolidation. However, this is very, very parabolic move, and it's due for any consolidation. So far, 50 SMA and 200 SMA, they're almost about to crossing each other. So keep an eye on that. But this is very, very nice move for Russell 2000. We get long here. I'm very, very disappointed about myself that I closed my position here like 11. I could get like this run, and I just need to put a stop loss here and trail on my stop. I didn't do that. I just took my position off the table here, but next time we will be better. All right guys, if you like our video, please subscribe. If you like to see more of this analysis, please help us subscribe the channel, and please give us a like. Or if you have any comments, please give me your comments just below this video. I'm gonna just let you know about more analysis down the road. All right, so thank you so much guys. Hope you have fantastic weekend. Hope you have a nice Christmas. Have a good one. Bye bye.